So for word problems, we're going to use this graphic organizer, which has 4 squares, okay? So the first square says we need to write numbers and vocabulary from the problem. So we're gonna read and write numbers and vocabulary, okay? So Drea is writing a piece of music. She has decided to replace a 3/4 note, which takes up 3/4 of a small section of the music called a measure. So then I'm gonna write, she wants to replace a 3/4 note with 1/8 notes, which each take up 1/8 of a measure. So she wants to replace with a 1/8 note. Work with your team to use diagrams to help you figure out how many 1/8 notes she will need. Then represent the problem and its solution with a mathematical division sentence and a diagram. Use the diagram below to help. So then the question is how many 1/8 notes she will need, right? So again, we see that it's a division problem because we need to find out how many 1/8 can be fit into 3/4. So it's a division problem. So I am going to circle the division, right? So that's what I want you guys to do, and move on to the next box. So next box says solve the problem, right? So really the problem is we need to divide 3/4 by 1/8, and we're going to use our strategy, keep, switch, flip. So we're gonna keep the first fraction, 3/4, right? And then we're gonna switch division into multiplication, and then we're going to flip. So that means 8 divided by 1, right? 8 divided by 1. So now we can then multiply 3 times 8 is 24 divided by 4, right? And 24 divided by 4 is 6. So that is the answer. So that means 6 1/8 note can fit into 3/4. So I kind of wanted to show you using the strip. So 3/4 is going to look like that, and then we're going to see how many 1/8 is going to fit into 3/4. So we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 6 1/8 can fit into 3/4. So now we are going to write the answer. When we are writing the answer, again, we need to write in a complete sentence and explain your thinking, write the answer in a complete sentence. So we are going to write the answer here in this box, and we're going to say Drea, right? So that is what the problem was, right? So was about. So Drea will need 6, right? So 6 pieces, 6 pieces of 1/8 notes. So I'm writing using a complete sentence, and again, it says explain, right? So notes because 1/8, because 1/8, because 6 pieces of 1/8 notes can fit into a 3/4 note. So I also explained my answer, right? So Drea will need 6 pieces of 1/8 notes because 6 pieces of 1/8 notes can fit into 3/4 note. So that's the answer. So that's how I want you guys to use this graphic organizer when you are solving word problems.